So viewer subscriber, I think kick off today with Likkle Addi when he touch the streets. It seems like say yo in live up on the line anytime he go out on the road, you see me? So I go play the live and I couldn't hear what the G officer because yo this serious bad. So if you're new to the channel, remember subscribe to 4K Sheller Energy and make we kick this off the right way.
Giant G-Man representing for 4K Sheller Energy. Subscribe to the YouTube channel, like, comment and share. Click the bell to be notified.
This morning after my arrival at the restaurant, I was looking for a parking space and couldn't find any. Bear in mind, this is my first time at the restaurant and me never know where this up. I was looking for a parking and while parking, 2 security guards ran down on me with guns, threatening me, asking me what the reason for my day. So ray, bugger thing. Till it all lead to the point where they must start disrespect me and talk about suck father, bugger thing. I got up and then these 2 security guards, I don't even know if a security for the plaza or anything, cause I'm never in a uniform or anything. But they kept on following me, threatening me about they might go shoot me in the face, this and that. So this morning, when everybody saw me on live acting the way I was acting, that was the reason. So I just want to make it public, say I'm being targeted when I go outside in public. You see me? That's the reason why I came on live to address this situation. Everybody was texting me, asking me if I'm good, my gov and everything gov, but I make it known publicly, say I'm being threatened, I'm being harassed by then these carrier go threaten me, ask me what the reason why I'm there. Harass me and this bugger fuckery I come talk about. Suck father. So I just want to make it known, say I'm being harassed, being threatened, but they are seeing me, you see me? They are seeing me. So I'm just come on the live, clear up everything, and once again I apologize for the previous behavior.
So viewer subscriber, this is a very serious situation because anything could have happened. You see me? We could have hear say the DJ drop out, we could have hear say him turn around and stab one of them and police hold on pan him and so on and so forth. We could have hear anything. So a good thing say yo nothing never happen. So I'm gonna drop a next video upon this. I just make you hear the live and you can make me know what you think about it, you see me? And Likkle Addi have to just be careful in the streets, big man, you see me? Just watch yourself out there and big up yourself, you see me? So if you're a subscriber, remember subscribe to 4K Sheller Energy if you're new to the channel and look out for part 2 for this video.